no permission that has been taken for this particular rally that has been organized by about 300 MPs from both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Which is of chaos on your screen at this point in time as these MPs move towards the office of the Election Commission of India, which is just about 2 kilometers and less from the Parliament complex there. BJP says this is much ado about nothing. The matter can't be taken up in Parliament at all. Proceedings have not gone forward in both houses of Parliament, given the kind of stir that we're seeing for days together in the current monsoon session of Parliament. Rahul continues to be with us. Rahul, at this point in time, the opposition adamant on raising this matter, putting the spotlight on this issue.
Yes, absolutely. Opposition MPs are insisting that they should be allowed to march towards the Election Commission of India to highlight this fact. Now you can see here, we've been informed and we're getting a sense that opposition MPs have started coming out from Parliament, from Transport Bhavan Gate, and in fact, they'll be using this route to go towards the Election Commission of India. Now you can see that multiple barricades that have been placed in Sneha already by Delhi police to stop these MPs from marching. And in fact, there are a lot of police activity here, a lot of police bandobast here to ensure to contain these MPs this particular march, because Delhi police has stated very categorically that no permission is sought for this march, and therefore they will not be allowing these MPs to march towards the Election Commission of India. However, opposition MPs are saying that this is well within their
this is well within their democratic right to protest, to take out a march, and that too from one of the sacred places in democracy, that is Parliament, to Election Commission of India. And by stalling that right, this is akin to muzzling the voice of opposition, which they are claiming it at the behest of the BJP, at the behest of the incumbent. Clearly,
we would now be seeing a showdown between Delhi police and member of Parliament if in case they try to breach these multiple barricades, they try to walk towards Election Commission of India, which is barely 2 kilometers away from this place. So, Sneha, as we speak on ground zero, it seems that opposition MPs are insisting, they are adamant, and they believe that it's their right to protest on this issue, to highlight the alleged voter list manipulation and the issue of SIR. So clearly, and I was also telling that many prominent MPs such as Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav, Abhishek Banerjee, all these people will be marching, will be joining this march. So clearly, it's a going to be a very high-profile march, also a very sensitive one in terms of security concerns. So clearly, that's why you're seeing this. There's a lot of police bandobast, a lot of police buses that have been deployed here to ensure that no untoward incident happens here. Now, if you can see, the buses have been brought in. The barricades have been completely sealed off.
The barricades have been completely sealed off just to ensure that MPs are stopped, are not allowed to march toward Election Commission of India. In all likelihood, Sneha, I can say, or we can sense that opposition MPs are, as they've been telling us earlier also, they are on warpath, and they're certainly going to be marching today, and it is expected, a showdown is expected between Delhi police and Member of Parliament if a middle ground is not reached. Sneha.
Well, clearly a showdown is expected, but as far as the session is concerned, there continues to be a logjam on this issue, Rahul Gautam. The MPs protesting outside Parliament. On our screens at this point in time, for days together, we've seen these protests inside Parliament as well, stalling the Parliament proceedings, isn't it? For days and days. All right, pictures are of MPs marching to the Election Commission of India, the office. Delhi police says that it is a permission that has not been given to these MPs who are marching, registering a protest with the Election Commission of India. Would be security concerns as well, given that these are members of Parliament who are carrying out this march. Permission not being given for the same. We're reporting on the ground, staying with these pictures of about 300 MPs who are marching from the Makar Dwar to the office of the Election Commission of India. Let's take a listen. MPs marching from Parliament to the Election Commission office. Police have said that we have not given any permission for this march. The marching from Parliament's Makar Dwar to the Election Commission office, which is about 2 kilometers away. These are members of Parliament from Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha across 25 opposition parties that are carrying out this march, alleging vote chori in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections and also the special intensive revision SIR of electoral rolls in poll-bound Bihar that is being opposed by the opposition tooth and nail. Rahul Gandhi seen in these pictures, the leader of the opposition leading the charge along with the Samajwadi Party, TMC, DMK, Aam Aadmi Party, Left, RJD, NCP, the Sharad Pawar faction, Shiv Sena, the Uddhav Sena faction and National Conference are all in this rally. Delhi police has not given permission to reach or to march, in fact, to the Election Commission's office. Let's take a look.
एमपीज हैं वो आगे आ रहे हैं ट्रांसपोर्ट भवन के
चेतावणी दिली जाते पोलिसांकडून.
All right, pictures on a screen of Rahul Gandhi. There was marching to the Election Commission. This along with members of Parliament from all other 25 opposition parties in Lok Sabha and in Raj Sabha. Seen in these pictures. In fact, Sanjay Singh from the Aam Aadmi Party. We also see Sanjay Raut of Shiv Sena, the UBT faction, and TMC as well as Samajwadi Party. 25 political parties are represented in this 300 MPs from Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. The star, as we know, is against vote chori, which is being alleged by the opposition in the Lok Sabha elections that concluded in the year 2024, and also opposing the special intensive revision SIR of electoral rolls in poll-bound Bihar. Trinamool Congress, Aam Aadmi Party representing, in fact, the opposition parties. Congress is there. Also, the Samajwadi Party, about 25 opposition parties are marching to the Election Commission of India. The Delhi police says that we have not given the permission for the same. Rahul Gandhi has been talking about how votes were stolen through 5 types of manipulation in Mahadevapura Assembly segment in Bangalore Central constituency. Congress and CPI making charges of voter chori in Thrissur as well in Kerala. Election Commission has in fact defended itself, rejecting Gandhi's claims as incorrect and asked him to submit the data of dubious voters under oath. BJP essentially has said that it's got nothing to do with the party, and this is an exercise of SIR being carried out by the Election Commission. Take a look at this report sent by Ashwarya Alia.